Otherwise, you can click on any blank part of the block diagram and then choose the correct palette, sub-palette, or whatever you need to get to the proper node. So when clicking directly on this node, we have the numeric palette available here in the menu, and we can very quickly get to the other nodes that are connected to the same type of operation. For instance, if we click on the Boolean terminal here, we also have available the Boolean palette only one click away. This is maybe not that interesting for palettes that are easy to access otherwise, but most of the time it's much quicker to do it this way, since you are in the correct mind state to access these elements if you are already thinking about them. So right click on the correct element opens the corresponding palette. Another way to get another multiplication node onto the block diagram is to press and hold down the control button and just left click and drag from the existing multiplication node. This way you can also get the LabVIEW to automatically wire the new node to the previous one. Okay, so now to convert meters per second to kilometers per hour, we need to multiply with another constant here, but this one cannot actually be an integer 8 constant because we need it to be a decimal number, so we need to change the representation. Any one of these would do, so it's usual to choose the double precision numbers if there is no indication that you need to use especially a single, although the single precision number would be quite sufficient for this application here. Okay, so writing in the value 3.6 and another label, actual speed kilometers per hour. Okay, so we can again connect the arrow to this node so that it is quite obvious what this operation does. And what we are now prepared to do is to display the value of the speed. So going back to the front